Eco Network Heirok conducted Heirok Wangjing River Rejuvenation Campaign at Heirok Part 3 today. The campaign aimed to raise awareness about the importance of environmental preservation, particularly concerning the impact of plastic waste on rivers. President of Eco Network, Sinthangam Balaishram, highlighted that despite the evident effects of climate change, some people still lack interest in environmental conservation. He pointed out that improper disposal of plastic waste, particularly into rivers, has become a major environmental hazard, leading to water pollution and posing serious health risks. He urged the public to take responsibility for preserving the environment and to actively participate in recycling efforts. He further appealed to the government to extend its support to such environmental initiatives, emphasizing that with collective effort, it is possible to achieve a clean riverbank free of garbage and maintain clean water in the region.
Plastic ki polam sing ase machine asui khoi gi environment da kai ba piri mioi bana khoi gi sinagani ta khangba aduga mafam chana lotion bagi aduma ba thawok ki tawbida bana maram oraga toren da amadi toren gi khongban da mafam chai cha de khangdana langthom maduna maram oraga toren gi khongban singda amadi toren gi mapan nakpa mafam singda aduki matik khoi yamna paisilakna maram oraga singdole bai ko da su singdopagi madugi awabam oire aduga singdoktraga so manam ha chelakpa kuina plastic se namsilakan ising namu tasilakan da khoi pu chenba sing masu ohelai aduna masidi khoi punna mangmina bai film da leibanina environment gi oiba sigumna ba huji honglei ba ing asagi kaithari ba khalse khoi punna thodang lominaraga kandaba sumya ya de haibadu myam punne khoi khangminasi